mag-off ng 12 na. Happy birthday to you. Si Jenna yung kita. So, hindi ka kita. Ang dami ilaw sa likod. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
HB.
Happy birthday to you.
HBD.
Line of 3.
Scream daddy mo yan.
Ito na ba?
Kaya nga. Vietnam group. Eeyore. Happy birthday, Kuya Matt. Sarap ng handa mo. Inarang sa immigration. Jenna.
Where can you stay?
Hi! Vlog section. Tomato. Ngayon lang siya walang baso. O yung tomato.
Tamis. Yung may tomato, tamis.
Xin kính chào quý khách.
Welcome aboard. Ho Chi Minh City. The local time is now 6:39 a.m. with outside temperatures of 26 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off.
Touchdown! Vietnam! Yeah. Tao, wala pang tao. Mukhang Pilipinas. Andito dad sa 2. We're in Vietnam, getting our bags. So after we got our bags, we went straight to Mom's hotel using a Grab. When we landed in Vietnam, my Grab app automatically changed its location to Vietnam, and we just paid through a credit card that's connected to the app, and everything went smoothly.
Rice noodles.
Yogurt.
Marami food eh.
May yogurt, may tinapay.
Oh,
Maganda food namin.
sarap.
Parang ulam.
Sobrang sarap.
Tinapay with yogurt. Mas mani. Sarap yung pasan. Sarap yung... Yeah. Yung pancake din, masarap. May tamis eh.
Sarap ng sabaw ah.
Ano sabaw?
May
Ano sabaw?
Pork.
Dalawang klase yung sabaw niya. Depende sa pipiliin mong meat.
Masarap. Mom wanted to eat breakfast with us, so we had breakfast at her hotel as well. We got the breakfast buffet, and she stayed in Royal Hotel Saigon. The full name is actually Kim Do Royal Hotel Saigon. Can you tell me why both of you got fries? Wala ng tao. Wala na. Yan o. Wala na.
Nakapili ka ng ano? Nakapili kayo ng upuan dyan. Minsan, wala. Ito parati hindi nawawalan.
Marami dito yung
Everyday. Never.
Thailand. Saka
Hindi
dito sa
masyado.
Dragon Fruit.
Yung guava na, adik ako sa guava.
Ito lang guwapa.
May drink si... Bagong product si... Highland si guava.
Asim? This is actually good. It's good. Lo, nakangiti. Lo, nakangiti. Nakangiti.
Ang dami.
Ang daming kipot.
Mga nandun sa may pond.
Hindi sila kita sa 7th floor eh. Hanggang dyan lang kita ko sa wall. Hindi ko nakita yung bottom. So dito kita ko yung bottom.
Yan.
Kita mo yan?
Hello! Ayan, umabot ako.
Hi! Eh kasi ako nanonood ng video ko. Si Jaina, wala, paganda lang.
Ginagaya ko yung video mo.
Oh, cute. Oh. Ang dami nila. Oh, cute nila. May green. There's a green one.
Oh!
What a beautiful fountain.
Wow!
A first 7-Eleven experience in Vietnam. Hi, it's Milky Choo. Guys, may hagdan yung 7-Eleven dito. Hindi ko alam saan siya pupunta. Tsaka may elevator. What the heck? Kuya Mats getting... ito. Oh, wow. Oh, sige. Parang gusto ko rin yan. Yuzu salted calamansi. Yuzu chrysanthemum. Apple hibiscus. Calamansi, lotus, and salted plum jam. Yeah, this one. This one wins. Go, go. Ayan o.
That's the plan.
I think may fashion show mamaya doon.
Parang hindi mo ma-misplace. Ang titinag ko nga niya. Walang label, sis. Kaya nga ako nagtanong.
Ang lalo ng itsura.
Yun din nakita ko sa Klook eh.
Barbecue yan po.
Parang Pinoy.
Barbecue?
Char. Alat.
Alat. Amoy mabangon. Amoy barbecue.
But it's good. So, this needs rice.
Girl, he on a food trip.
When we entered the hotel, they gave us welcome drinks. It's ginger honey lemon, ginger lemongrass, honey, tea.
Ginger.
Wow, puro pupu yung nasa vlog ko. Pupu place. This is the pupu place. With bidet. At the chinelas.
Wow, goma.
Chinelas.
Galing nga, goma.
Yeah?
Parehas ba tayo flavor na pinili?
Huh? Oh, syempre, it's Japan.
Funny.
It's a Japan flavor.
Why
So this is the current setup. Walang, ang dami nagsalita sabay. This is the current setup of our eating
Wala
setup.
naman saksakan. Kasi sinasaksakan kami. Ano pala?
Say hi.
Hi, Sam. Ayan.
I love my eyes. Just saying. Aircon.
Kaya nga, magsabi tayo agad bago naguluhin ng mga
Sarap.
ang buong kwarto. Pag mahina aircon.
Saan paano nyo inon? Decrease na pa.
Wala na.
Wala na?
Mahigit. Baka paggabi.
Baka mabagal.
Baka hindi kasi kakaon lang as in.
This is the salmon. Grilled salmon. Onigiri pa rin sa Vietnam.
Malapit ba to sa Japan?
Malapit po. Pagti niya.
Tastes like
Ito pa sa namin yun.
toyo.
Need tissue? I have white tissue.
Thank you.
Kulang dalawa.
Oo.
Pero masarap.
Bakit hindi kakain pa tayo? Hindi na ba kakainin nyo?
Sarap.
Dinner nyo na yan?
Masarap.
Sa tikman dyan.
Lasang toyo. My favorite.
You want to taste?
Tuna mayo and seaweed.
Yung sticky rice daw masarap sa akin.
Kakabusog nga lang. Konti lang ang tinikman. Tinikman ko lang naman siya.
So good. I love tuna mayo.
You're vlogging. Remember.
Ano ba yun?
40,000.
Mas masarap yung salmon. Philippines, you have to step your game up. Step up your game. Your 7-Eleven game. Walang kwents.
Hey, ang mahal. Let me do that. 25,000. 10,000 is 25 pesos.
Yay!
50 pesos, June.
Maligo. And mag-toothbrush. Wow. This is in front of our hotel, so we have to eat here once.
So, nandun yung out for dinner. Ayan.
Eh, may beef noodles na. 70 pesos lang. Ay, 70 pesos? 70. This one. And nothing else. Coconut.
So,
It's a
hindi,
video.
mas mahal sa 100 din yata yan sa
Hindi sa resto.
Sa resto, 100.
Ang sarap. Coconut. Very fresh.
So,
Ano nilagay nila dito? What did they put in this?
Sarap.
Papa.
Thank you.
Oh, ito, di ba?
Thank you. Thank you.
Ayun na.
Ang bango.
Let's ask.
Tama yan. Tama.
Rice noodle.
Happy birthday. Mamaya na.
Blow mo kunyari.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow your candle.
Open.
30 ka na. 30 na siya.
30 in Vietnam.
30 and bit. Magkakaiba dyan, Reggie? Ba't yung akin?
Oo, magkakaiba.
Hindi, tinatanong ko.
Yes, beef.
Oo. Asan yung earbud? Saan yung baby? Ganito, same sa akin.
Nilagay ko na kasi lalamig eh.
Kasi para sa order mo nga.
Spicy.
Nilagay mo lahat.
Lahat.
But good. Ang sarap.
What the?
Yung meat matiga.
Oh, sarap. Ang sarap.
Yay!
Ah,
Pwede na.
Para matikman niya yung soup bago ko lagyan ng kung ano-ano.
May anghang na eh.
Yes.
Ako yung may sili.
May...
Ganun ko na.
Yan ang bun.
ang sarap.
That's amazing.
May iba siya, may spice o meron
Kasi
sa
may
herb
broth.
na iba.
What are those things? I know this one. What are those things?
Jenna.
Bawa.
Bawa yung sito ng tao.
I think it's Indian mango.
What taste mo ito ah?
Kasi.
Food.
This shrimp dumpling.
Toyo.
You can ask
Toyo
for
with
more
sugar.
red alam mo if you want.
Hindi ko alam walang ganyan sa Pilipinas. Pero ang masarap. Wala siyang lasa. Neutral sila.
Ang sarap. Wow. Vlog gonna be about? I have no idea. So the reason why we're suddenly in Vietnam this year is because Mom is working in Vietnam for a month and we wanted her to feel less alone. So I will be staying here for a total of 15 days and I'm so excited to share this experience with you guys. So I hope you subscribe and wait for the other episodes. Ano man yan.
Như vậy đồng nghĩa với chị Trần Thị Kiều Loan, số dân thủ số 9 phường Bến Thành, quận 1 đã
Welcome to Lang Farm. Wow, ang cute! Ma-cute! Wow.
Gusto ko ni Jasmine.
Andun.
Okay. The very, very.
What's that?
Langka and ube.
Ube lang ka. Thanks.
May tweets, oh. Are they green?
Ano siya din?
Matcha.
Going inside the bookstore. Yeah, and my favorite book, as always, is here. What did you find? Little Prince for kids. Wow.
Spider! Spider!
Ooh, but they're in Vietnamese. Nagpagawa na kami ng ilaw sa bookstore. So, sa first night, nasaraduan na kami ng bookstore. Ngayon, pabalik kami 7-Eleven for snacks before going back to the hotel. Oh my God! Life or death experience. 7-Eleven time. Quick 7-Eleven haul. My brother got another drink. The calamansi yuzu. He liked it so much. Yuzu ba to? And then, he also got a new flavor of onigiri. Cheesy spicy pork. Ginawa po namin Japan yung 7-Eleven nila. And then, lastly, uy, orange yung 7-Eleven nila. Ang galing. Lastly, we have Betagen. This is for me. I think this will taste like, ano yun? Chamito? Chamito na orange. Kung naabutan niyo yung chamito, matanda na kayo. Yun. Orange flavored Yakult, I think. We have to try. I'll try it now for you. No, it does not taste like chamito. Wala siyang lasa. We're gonna rest na and then we'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Long day eh.